What are you wearing?
I am
Okay,
wearing.
so the hat is black in color.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing.
What's your name?
Monjola.
What's up? Nice to meet you. And what are you wearing?
I'm wearing a Prada bomber.
Very cool, very cool.
Thrifted t-shirt. Black Rose, Tommy Hilfiger.
Very
Can't
cool.
get this shit.
Cool.
And then Ambush, bro.
Nice.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah. And what do you do?
I make music, I'm a musician.
Very cool.
Dublin, man.
Very cool.
Dublin, Ireland.
And what's the biggest goal you got in your life?
The biggest goal, I actually don't know, man. I'm trying to blow up.
Nice. Cool.
Yeah.
I'll do you. What's your name?
I'm Abby. Hi.
And what are you wearing?
I'm wearing this is the Jucal tracksuit. It's a brand from London, and this is an Irish brand, Love Lago, my friend. Yeah, shout out to him.
Very cool. And what do you do?
I also make music as well. We write together a lot. We're both from Dublin, Ireland, so shout out to Dublin, Ireland.
That's tight. That's
Dublin,
tight.
Ireland in the house.
And what's the biggest goal you have in your life?
Probably just to be financially stable, like doing what I love, which is music, and having fun doing that shit.
Very cool. And the phone case is really tight too. I was gonna ask about that.
Oh shit, I think this was like €2 or like
That's
$2. His sister got it for me. I
Oh,
thought-
cool. Shout out to sister.
Shout out to sis.
That's cool.
Yeah.
And cool. And what's your name?
My name is Rudy.
Cool. And what are you wearing?
I'm wearing a Yeezy hoodie,
Very cool.
a vintage Wu-Tang t-shirt, a
Very cool.
Burberry skirt with local European pants, and
What are the shoes saying? Oh, they
CDG.
cool. They
And what do you do?
I am in social media for Sweet Chick.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I eat there all the time. Yeah.
Yeah, this is Mr. Sweet Chick himself.
Whoa. And what's the biggest goal you have in your life?
My biggest goal is to honestly be happy. Like, if I could live my life and just genuinely say that I could be happy, like with the people around me, with my friends, my family, like that's my biggest goal.
Cool. Thank you. Cool. And last but not least, what's your name?
Anu.
Nice to meet you. And what are you wearing?
I'm wearing some Carhartt double knees, Kids Immigrant t-shirt. I got the Sweet Chick Clark's Wallabies. We got these last year. Look out for new ones coming very soon. And it's the vintage Mickey Mouse bomber.
Very cool. And man, I forgot the question. I forgot. And what do you do?
I work in marketing as well for Sweet Chick. Yeah, that's what we do, yeah.
And what's the biggest goal you have in your life?
Biggest goal, I think, is to leave people better off than we found them. That's the biggest goal, yeah. He
Very
practiced
cool.
that shit before. He practiced that shit.
Waiting all his life for that question.
No, I went for all these, like, oh, you guys are. Bro, what's the name?
And what's your name?
My name's Misha.
Nice to meet you. And what are you wearing?
What am I wearing? So shout out to the PS2 Aqua Teen Hunger Force game. Came out in 2004.
He made it.
Oh. Yeah, but I took the graphics from that game, put it on there. My homie Iram gave me these nice Lee pants, classics.
Very cool. Very cool.
And the shoes, classic Air Forces from, well, they're not classic, they're from 2013, but classic enough.
Very cool. I see some Blender and Unreal Engine in there.
Oh, so Blender is the main source. I actually extracted the game files from this editing software, this modding software, and put them into Blender. Did whatever I can with them. Same with this one.
Very cool.
rocked
Awesome.
it out.
And what do you do?
I design clothes. I actually carry some of my stuff at Lamb's, the store over here. I sell online, MikuNYC.com.
Awesome. Yeah, I've heard of that. That's crazy.
Oh, no way. That's
Very cool.
wild. That's wild.
And what's the biggest goal you have in your life?
In my life, eventually to get my family in Russia in like a great place, to eventually, you know, have a nice life with this girl.
Amazing. Cool.
Yeah.
And what's your name?
I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you. And what are you wearing?
I'm wearing a Butters Butter Goods sweater.
Very cool.
He got me this skirt. I think
My
it's
boy Alex, the Unknown store, has the best archive.
it's lambskin.
Lambskin.
Very cool.
These were $5 thrifts.
Awesome. Awesome.
And Zadig and Voltaire bag.
Awesome. And what do you do?
I'm in school for fashion at the moment, but I also sew, and hopefully one day I'll own a company as well like him.
Awesome. And what's the biggest goal that you have in your life?
be happy, and I really want to succeed actually in bridal wear. So I'm working to start doing gowns soon.
Very cool. Awesome. And thank you both. Really appreciate it. What's your name?
Jessa.
Jessa, nice to meet you. And what are you wearing?
I'm wearing a jumpsuit with a shirt and a scarf.
Cool, cool.
My law firm.
Awesome. And what do you do?
I'm an urban planner.
Awesome. That's my aunt's job too.
Oh, really?
Yep.
Oh,
very
nice.
cool.
Yeah. I love New York. I love the city. So like, I'm trying to find my way to contribute.
Very cool. And what's the biggest goal you have in your life?
Oh, wow. It's just be a nice person, make friends, and enjoy life.
Awesome. Cool. And then you've solved one of those goals. So what's your name?
Julie.
Julie, nice to meet you. And what are you wearing?
Dress.
Cool. Very cool. Awesome. Cool. And what do you do?
I'm an engineering student and a singer.
Yeah, she's a great singer.
Oh, yeah, cool. And where can you find like your music?
Right now on my Instagram, and I have an album coming out this year.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Very cool. And what's the biggest goal you have in your life?
Make this world a better place.
Sick. Dope, dope. Cool. And that's it. Thank you. What's your name?
Nacha.
Cool. And what are you wearing?
I'm wearing this top from GU. I don't remember where this is from. This is from Brandy Melville. And these are Vagabond and Muji socks.
Muji socks. Cool.
Yeah.
And what do you do?
I waitress, and I also work at the candy shop like down there.
Awesome. And what's the biggest goal you have in your life?
Probably just to make enough money to sustain myself, and I really want to do something in art history with my major, so maybe like work in a museum, be an art director.
Very cool. Very cool. And what's your name?
I'm Ben.
Ben, nice to meet you. And what are you wearing?
This is thrifted.
Nice, nice.
This is from Uniqlo. These are just like sweatpants.
Classic.
And then the Sambas I got like yesterday.
Very cool.
From 2nd Street.
Amazing. And what do you do?
I'm a student, like full-time student, mechanical engineering.
Awesome. And what's the biggest goal you have in your life?
I don't know. I actually have no idea. I really just want to like do whatever makes me happy. I'm not really sure about school right now, but
that's cool. That's cool.
just the main path here now.
It took me years to graduate, so all good. Appreciate it. Awesome. Thank you both. Hey, and what's your name?
I'm Kaya.
Nice to meet you. And what are you wearing?
What am I wearing right now?
Yeah.
I'm this shirt I thrifted. It's a Raiders jersey. I'm wearing this skirt. I think I also thrifted this. And then I'm wearing like 6'6" shoes. My Marc Jacobs bag, and then these Miu's that I got off Depop.
Awesome. And what do you do?
I model and I go to school. I'm a fashion marketing major.
Amazing. And what's like the biggest goal you have in your life?
My biggest goal in life is to just keep pursuing my modeling career and get cool campaigns and work for a cool brand and do creative direction and marketing for them.
Awesome. Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
Lower East Side. What's your name?
Jonathan.
Nice to meet you. And what are you wearing?
Alright, I'm wearing a Babe X Heron Preston jacket.
Amazing. Awesome.
The pants from Say Collab, the Babe with Heron Preston.
Very cool.
This shitty Ultra Boost with a collab with Star Wars.
Love it, love it. Awesome. And what do you do?
Just chilling, you know, exploring the city. We're tourists from Israel.
Amazing. Awesome.
Yeah.
And what's the biggest goal you have in your life?
Biggest goal? I think I want to learn here in Parsons, designing, you know.
Nice. Awesome.
Yeah.
Cool. And thank you. Appreciate
Thank you.
it.
Appreciate it.
What's your name?
Lucia.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing hand-me-downs in Goodwill. So this is a hand-me-down.
Very cool. Awesome.
This is a hand-me-down. This is Goodwill.
Amazing.
These shoes I got at this place called Steals and Deals in Massachusetts.
And one.
Yeah,
Awesome.
yeah.
Cool. And what do you do?
I'm a student. I'm
Cool.
studying to be an English teacher.
Amazing.
Yeah.
And what's the biggest goal you have in your life?
I don't know. I wanna have a close family in the big sense of the word. Family,
Amazing.
friends, all of it. Yeah.
Cool. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And what's your name?
Andre.
Andre. Nice to meet you. And what are you wearing?
I'm just wearing a cadet jacket from what I remember.
Cool.
And,
Cool.
I think a Muji shirt and Dickies pants and Reebok.
Reebok shoes. Awesome. And what do you do?
Bartender.
Say it again.
Bartender.
Okay, sick. And what's the biggest goal you have in your life?
I'm just gonna stick with the classic and say be happy.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Cool. And what's your name?
I'm Oscillate.
Nice to meet you. And what are you wearing?
I got the dress from like a Goodwill, but I think it's Zara. The top is H&M, and the jacket I got from Macy's actually. It's pretty standard.
Very cool. And what do you do?
I'm a flight attendant.
Awesome. And what's the biggest goal that you have in your life?
You asked him that, and I thought I'm like, okay, I've got 10 seconds to prepare. Biggest goal in my life? I don't know. It'd be cool to be like completely self-sufficient, like not have to rely on work that I didn't want to do.
Very cool. Awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it. Cool. And what are you wearing?
What am I wearing?
Yes.
What do you mean? Do I need to introduce a brand or?
It's up to you. Yeah.
Okay. I mean, just like a typical blazer.
Very cool. Cool.
And a shirt and a short skirt.
Cool. And where are the shoes from, if you know?
Oh, this are from Zara.
Very cool. Very cool.
Yeah.
And what do you do?
Oh, I'm a producer.
Awesome. And what's the biggest goal you have in your life?
Wow. Wow, to live a very happy life. That would be and stay healthy. Healthy. That's it.
Awesome. Cool. And what's your name?
I will skip this.
Okay.
Because the fashion is so overwhelming.
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
And what's your name?
Terrell.
Nice to meet you. And what are you wearing?
Just wearing a $20 jacket or so that I just bought today.
Amazing. Cool. And can you tell me about that too?
Oh, this I got at a vegan festival. I don't remember the name, but it's on Randall's Island every summer or so.
Nice. And the kicks, I really like those. Big fan.
I don't know, just some Nikes.
Nice, nice. And what do you do?
I'm a musician.
Very cool. And what's the biggest goal you have in your life?
Right now I'm gonna make my own band, start playing some shows in New York.
Amazing. Cool. Thank you.
Thanks, man.
And what's your name?
Olivia.
Nice to meet you. And what are you wearing?
So I got this jacket from like a skate shop like a few months ago, I think, or a year ago.
Very cool.
Random shirt I just got from my friend, stole it. Pants. I don't know. I think I got it at Soho or something, and then the boots I got in Berlin a year ago.
Amazing. Awesome.
Yeah.
And what do you do?
So I just finished college, so I'm like learning how to be a DJ right now. So.
Very cool. Nice, nice.
Yeah.
And what's the biggest goal you have in your life?
I want to be an artist and repertoire, which is like a musical scout and like just like figuring out like just new talent. Like that's like my ultimate dream. So. Yeah.
Awesome. Cool. Thank you both. Really
Thank
appreciate
you.
it.
Yeah, man.
I'm Kale.
Nice to meet you. And what are you wearing?
What do I wear? I mean, no brands in particular. This is ASOS. This is eBay.
Nice.
Very beat.
Very cool. And what do you do?
I'm a student.
Very cool. And what's the biggest goal you have in your life?
Deep. Maybe open like a wildlife reserve, I would say.
Very cool. Very cool. And that's it. Thank you.
All right.